they get all the way to the end down here. We've done a lot of videos real near here over what you call Hickory Mound. A lot of Native American history in this area. A lot of Civil War history in this area. And a lot of Spanish American War, Indian Wars, Seminole Indian Wars history in this area. A lot of that's on the Florida Archives. You just have to look it up. The history's there. Today, this area is very popular with recreational fishermen. People come from all over to put their boats in here and Hickory Mound, but also here at the Econfina to get out to the Gulf to scallop and fish. And it's a very popular area with out-of-towners. You'll start to see some structures and houses and campers, and say this area fills up certain times of year. Fishermen. And on the right is the Econfina River Resort. And next on your right there, on the right, is that little convenience store I told you about. As we approach the boat ramp area here, you'll notice on the right the little building with the screen around it. That used to be a restaurant. They've tried the restaurant business several times here. It just never stayed open long. Got a restroom on the top of the hill to the right. There's your Econfina to the left. The river is high right now. The boat ramp is coming around here from the right. We got some people getting ready to go fishing, so we're trying not to get in their way, but that's to the left is your boat ramp. We don't really need to go and look at it. It's nothing spectacular. All boat ramps are pretty much the same in that nature. Not sure if they still do. They used to have little cabins down here off of these walks that you could rent. I know one time before, me and my wife parked the walk, and the couple we found was fell down. They may have fixed them since then. You see the trucks parked, got their boats in the water. Going out, we see our Econfina River Resort Motel. There's the store again, now it's on the left. See, there's several homes on stilts all down through here. This area is prone to flood. It's close enough to the Gulf when we have tropical storms, hurricanes. When that tidal surge comes up, pushes the water up in the river. All this down here does get underwater. When I ride down here, I think of the name Bobby Stefanelli. Ain't many people in this area that don't know that name. Bobby was not only involved heavily in business, but in the lives of the people in this area. Not only the locals, the out-of-towners, and seasonal guests that come, Bobby knew everybody. I personally knew Bobby for over 25 years and worked on his equipment. I couldn't think of a greater guy that I've ever met than old Bobby.